Hello, I'm Bob Hartel, the Director of Clinical Education at L&R USA, and today I'm here to show you a brand new product, the ReadyWrap Fusion Kit from the Solaris collection at L&R. Inside each Fusion Kit are instructions for use, which will tell you basically what I'm showing you in this video. There is the brand new ReadyWrap Fusion Liner, which provides targeted 8 to 15 millimeters of mercury compression for the foot and ankle. It's available in black, and it wicks moisture and sweat so that your leg stays cool and comfortable under the ReadyWrap. And then there's also a ReadyWrap calf piece that comes in either black or beige, in regular or tall. This happens to be a long, which has 6 straps. So to begin, on the ReadyWrap Fusion Liner, by rolling it inside out about 1/3 of the way down, and then pulling it over your foot and onto your heel, and then gradually bringing it up, making sure it's smooth with no wrinkles. Now the ReadyWrap does have a 50% overlap in the straps, which means that it won't gap, and it's color-coded so that you fasten color to color. I start with the lowest strap, which has the one piece of Velcro. I align the spine behind my leg, and then I pull this to fit in comfort. And now I'm going to fasten light blue to light blue. First the short horizontal piece, smooth it down but no need to pull. And then the long vertical. This is where I get my compression. Pull to fit in comfort. And then we switch sides, dark blue to dark blue. Short horizontal first, long vertical, white again, white, smooth it down to white, light blue to light blue. And you'll notice that we switch directions with each strap, so we're not torquing the skin in one way or the other. And then the last strap, dark blue to dark blue. And what's great about this liner, it should fit inside of any shoe. And there you have it, the brand new ReadyWrap Fusion Kit from the Solaris collection at L&R.